Hey everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about CVE 2025-59287. It's a vulnerability that security team around the world are warning you about and telling you to update your Windows. It's a zero day that is actively being exploited in the wild right now. Let's start with the basic. It's a critical RCE or a critical remote code execution vulnerability with CVSS score of 9.8. It affects Windows Server Update Service or WSUS. And can you guess the worst part? It is unauthenticated, meaning an attacker needs no credentials to exploit it, and they gain system privileges, which is the highest level of control on a server. So, what's the technical hurt of this problem? It's a classic unsafe deserialization of untrusted data, specifically an issue with how WSUS handles an object called the authorization cookie in a web service. When a client sends a SOAP request, perhaps to an endpoint like /client web service /client.asmx, calling the getCookie method, the server receives an encrypted cookie. The fatal flaw is that the server uses the insecure .NET binary formatter to decrypt and deserialize the content of this cookie without validating the type of data it's expecting. This is where the exploit comes in. An attacker can craft a malicious serialized object, a gadget chain payload, and encrypt it to look like a legitimate WSUS cookie. When the vulnerable server possesses this malicious cookie, the binary formatter is tricked into executing the code embedded into the payload, granting the attacker instant system level remote code execution. Now, who is at the risk here? If you have WSUS server role enabled on any of these Windows server, you are vulnerable. The server goes as follows: 2012, 2012 R2, 2016, 2019, 2022, and the new 2025 edition. The WSUS is not enabled by default, but it's foundational tool for patch management in almost every large Windows environment. We have observed active exploitation since the emergency patch was released. Attackers are scanning for servers exposed on the default WSUS port, which is TCP 8530 and 8531. Once compromised, they typically execute base64 encode PowerShell command to perform reconnaissance, running command like whoami, net user domain, or ipconfig, and then exfiltrate that sensitive data and user data to a remote location. Now let's come to the main part. What are the mitigations? What you must do right now to protect yourself? First I would suggest is patch immediately. Microsoft has released an out-of-band update on October 3rd, 23rd to fully address this. You need to apply this emergency patch even if you applied the initial October patch Tuesday fixes. Second, restrict network access. If you cannot patch immediately, you must block inbound traffic to port 8530 and 8531 on the host firewall. And last, hunt for IOCS. Look for suspicious process like CMD, PowerShell being spawned by w3wp.exe or WSUS service. This vulnerability underscores the danger of unsafe deserialization and the importance of immediate comprehensive patching. Stay safe, stay patched, and thanks for watching.